All right, so label each species and an acid or a base and identify conjugate acid-base pair. Okay, so who lose a proton? Who donates proton? Hydrofluoric acid right there, and hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate accept the proton. So proton goes like that, right? So this guy's an acid. Hydrogen carbonate is a base. Okay, if you go look backward. So the reverse reaction, carbonic acid donate a proton to fluoride. Fluoride become HF. Carbonic acid become bicarbonate. Right. So this guy's an acid, and fluoride is a base. Okay. Now the conjugate acid-base pair. So go right here. We have bicarbonate to carbonic acid, and we have HF, hydrofluoric acid, to fluoride ion. Okay. All right, one more time. So we got, we take, this is bicarbonate react with hydroxide ion. In this case, bicarbonate lose a proton, become carbonate ion. Yeah? Hydroxide ion accept the proton, become water. So this guy's an acid, this guy's a base. And in reverse, so water will act like an acid and become hydroxide ion. So here we go. An acid here, a base here. And then the pair, so bicarbonate to carbonate ion, and hydroxide to water. That's it. All right. Now I would like to point out right here. So if you look at this example, bicarbonate can have two roles, right? The first role acts as a base. The other reaction acts as an acid. Okay. So some compounds can act both an acid and a base. So we call this type of compound amphiprotic species. Now, amphiprotic compound. They can donate and accept proton. All right. Water also have amphiprotic property. They can do, depends on who water react with. If water react with the base, it will act like a proton donor, an acid. If water react with an acetic acid, which is an acid, water will act like a base. Okay. So like amphibian, you might be familiar with that. So those animals who can live on land and on in underwater, right? And protect, that's proton, basically. I can do both, donate proton and accept proton. All right, class activity number 1, question 1, 2, and 3, and I have an answer for you. Here we go. Make sure you show me the work. Okay. All right.